The big day had finally come. Guddi, Anna and I had spent 6 months plotting and planning for our workshop at the RCPCH Conference. Whose power? We had come together to explore power in healthcare. Who has the power? Who needs the power? Can the power be shared to achieve the very best for the child? We started with a beach ball poem, looking at health inequalities from different perspectives. The parent, the doctor, the teacher, the social worker, the housing officer, and the child caught in the middle.
So I am the child. You all have badges and speak words I don't know. You can all leave the room, just get up and go. I'm the one that has to go back to the house, back to the school, back to the waiting, back to the maybe. You ask whose power, I ask who will use it. Who will go first?
We then dived into some whose shoes scenarios and poems, and the room came alive with discussion.
The reflections of her research, improvement in terms of previous barriers they've had, maybe in it.
That might be sort of multi-professional meetings.
Do you know what I've thought about prescription? We're medicalising it already.
How's it going, Anna?
Yeah, thank you.
You can't talk without your mouth.
I can't, no, I shall take it out. I'm multitasking at a multitasking level.
I think you're multitasking very successfully, my dear. What does Marge say? What does Guddi say? It was particularly brilliant to see a group of paediatricians discussing a poem written from a teacher's perspective. How can the system come together to support children and families rather than acting in silos? The NHS can't do it all. So much is about social determinants of health, communities, people.
Is there a mismatch there between the perceptions and what the service is trying to provide?
Well, the data
Your main concern is
absolutely.
Yeah, I do
Well, that wasn't the main thing. There was a lot of energy. Anna Geyer captured the conversations absolutely brilliantly, particularly in such a short session. We're hoping that it builds our work around CYP Whose Shoes and WHAM, the wonderful network led by Guddi Singh, to make a difference. And there was a dramatic subplot going on, as stupidly I had left my handbag in a taxi, including the much-loved stowaway teddy. People were so kind trying to help, both the RCPCH staff and the security staff and everybody at the ICC. It was an emotional reunion. The conference was a lot of fun. Paediatricians are the doctors who choose to work with children, so they know how to be playful, and I absolutely loved it. And all in the week of my 70th birthday and the launch of CYP Whose Shoes. We're really proud of the new resources, crowdsourced through our collaboration with Midlands Partnership Foundation Trust. 360 thought-provoking scenarios, 50 heartfelt poems, sparking conversations around the issues that matter. Let's hope the new resources can make a difference to children and families across the country. Get in touch if you want to know more.